question number 2 here is about the idea of standard deviation. If you have already had a stats class, then you know what standard deviation is, and you can probably already tell what the right answer is to this question. If you haven't had a stats class, I'll give you a quick explanation. Standard deviation is a measure of how spread out the data is. So what I'm going to do is look at these numbers, and the one that is more spread out has a higher standard deviation. If you can just see it at a glance, go ahead and answer the question, but if not, let me kind of show you pictorially how this is going to work. I'll just take this data and I'm going to draw it on a number line, and I'll just leave off the last 3 digits. So I'll just write the thousands. So we have 25,000, 34,000, 64,000, 101,000, and 121,000, right? Now let's look at set Y. Set Y starts a little bit lower than set X, so I'm going to start it down around here, where that 21 is a little lower than the 25. And then the 84 is probably going to go around here, right? Then we have a 92,000. The next one is 224,000. Well, if 121 is here, I think that's going to be about here, right? 224. And then 386, I don't know, that's even further. I can't fit that on my screen anymore, my 386,000. What you can see is that set Y is definitely more spread out than set X. You can look at just the range, just the biggest minus the smallest, and in this case, just the range will also tell you which one has the higher standard deviation, but don't always do that, because it's possible that the numbers in the middle, like that 84 and that 224, are the ones that make the difference. You're looking to see which ones are the most spread out. Okay, so set X is more gathered together, that's the lower. And set Y is more spread out, that's the higher. And so my answer here is going to be B, because set Y has a higher standard deviation.